Hi, I'm Randall Foster, President and CEO of ViewMe out of Atlanta, Georgia. We manufacture specialized night vision equipment generally used for outdoor perimeters, high-risk facilities, borders. We have two types of technologies, thermal imaging and near-infrared illuminated systems, both used to see uniquely at night. We have multiple families of products really used at different purposes. So we have fixed thermal cameras that can be used for detection purposes, certain level of detail, generally to determine if there's an intruder at a perimeter or to general scene awareness of what's out there. We have recognition-based families of products that give a lot more detail, enable zooming in, maybe color in the daytime, maybe thermal at night. And we have identification quality cameras that give tremendous detail, lots of information, natural contrast imaging, faces look like faces in complete darkness, you can read words, you can even see through glass windows in cars and buildings and such, if that's the level of detail you need. Our products are really effective at long range, and that long range could be 200 meters or up to 7,000 meters, 8,000 meters, even 20,000 meters. So the applications depend upon the use, of course, of the perimeter, but thermal cameras, we even have zoomable thermal cameras that are functioning like a daytime camera but are able to bring the user close to an object in complete darkness from far away. So within a perimeter solution, generally you have some means of detecting intruders. It may be cameras, but it may be other technologies like radar systems, buried cables, fence detectors, etc. And then our cameras are used to assess those detected situations. And so the integration of our cameras with those different technologies is key, and we're quite effective at doing that. We have a large selection of fixed thermal cameras, lots of lens choices, multiple resolutions, different pitch sizes, 25 micron, 17 micron. And within the lens portfolio, we have some really advanced lenses. These enable motorized focus for the user, even a focus on demand, so with a push of a button, the system will actually focus to an object in the field of view. In addition, we have a relatively new feature, which is an inside the camera automated fire or heat detection capability. And these systems at the higher end enable the user to identify a threshold of temperature or an area of interest in which the camera will detect an alarm if a particular flame appears or a temperature threshold is reached. So it really adds an ability of safety and security into one camera. So within our portfolio of recognition-based cameras, we have a whole new exciting family. Its name is Accuracy. It's based on 2 video channels simultaneous, a color and thermal. And within the thermal spectrum, we can have cooled or uncooled modules. All of those are continuous zoom. Even the uncooled, we have a 25 to 225 continuous zoom thermal. Those are paired then with a high-def color system for 24/7 security at a perimeter, continual zoom ability to inspect and assess threats at the perimeter from thousands of meters away. So when a user needs to see the most details at night, we turn to our most advanced portfolio. We have 2 product families, Clarity and Discovery. Clarity is a long-range LED-based system, so it sends out a focused beam of energy from a specialized LED panel to see up to 500 meters at night in complete darkness. Discovery is based on a laser. It can go out several thousand meters, again with a very focused beam invisible to the human eye, and both these systems produce natural contrast, people look like people, faces look like faces, in complete darkness. Very useful for responding to threats at a perimeter. So in summary, ViewMe has a portfolio of cameras that span detection, recognition, identification. We leverage thermal imaging, we leverage near-infrared imaging. We have systems that can see at 0, 100 meters, 10,000 meters, even 15,000 meters, complete darkness. These cameras are ideal for situations at perimeters, borders, airports, seaports, military bases, all types of government facilities that are relatively high risk, large scale, outdoor.